Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll review how to use any and some. Any is often used in negative sentences or questions. Some is usually used in positive sentences when talking about an unspecified amount. Or we just note that use any in negative sentences, use some in affirmative sentences. Example: do you have any friends here? I don't have any money in my wallet. I need some help. She bought some apples from the market. Sam took some books home with him. Sam didn't take any books home with him. Let's change the following sentences from affirmative to negative.
1. There's some chairs in the next room. 2. We saw some good shows in New York. 3. He made some mistakes in addition. 4. They have some pretty dresses. 5. The teacher taught us some rules. 6. We learned some new words in class. 7. There are some flowers in the vase. 8. There are some rich men in this town. 9. We have some good neighbors. Corn.
Do you know how to answer? Let's go. 1. There aren't any chairs in the next room. 2. We didn't see any good shows in New York. 3. He didn't make any mistakes in addition. 4. They don't have any pretty dresses. 5. The teacher didn't teach us any rules. 6. We didn't learn any new words in class. 7. There aren't any flowers in the vase. 8. There aren't any rich men in this town. 9. We don't have any good neighbors. Wish you happy in learning English.